Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Du. Good morning, Jasper. It's coming up at Susan, but it's Jasper. How is everyone today? Good morning, Ken. Good morning, Niels. Get one of these. Oh. Oh. So we'll just wait for our live stream to get started. Just move this. Oh. How was everyone's day yesterday? Some good profits. Some crazy trades in the afternoon. Hedge on the Nasdaq. We can look at that later, Peter. Good morning to you too, Alexei. Did we start way too early? A bit, no? Started a bit early. Yep, no worries. Wow, everyone in hedge on the Nasdaq for Niels. Good morning to you too, Martin. It is being Friday. Yep, we'll wait and see how the market is today. Not a lot of news coming out, but and it is Friday after all, so we'll wait and see what the day brings. No hedges, nice day yesterday. Yeah, glad I don't have any hedges carried over. Gold up. What's going on here? Yep. Perfect. Oh, come on. Okay. So, good morning, everyone. Today is the 19th of March 2021. My name is Maurice Rothwell, English trading coach here at TradersClub24. Big welcome to all of our guests and members in the live trading room. Good morning, Alexei, Du, John, Ken, Kieran, Martin, Niels, Olga, Peter, and Jasper. We'll wait for the rest to join shortly. We started a little early this morning. And of course, a big welcome to all of our viewers through Facebook and YouTube live stream. So today we're going to get started with our first trades on the DAX. So of course we've got quite a tricky open range breakout here this morning, right between the daily pivot and that big number. For me this morning, I want to take the bottom C box. I'm a big fan of these C box trades. So that's going to be my first pending order for this morning. Reason I'm taking this one, I'm expecting the market to actually come up off of that big number and break past that daily pivot. I don't want to take my box across that open range breakout as not to get stuck in a range between the two. Good morning, Olga, to you too. The next trade that we're going to set for this morning, I'm going to take just this basic open range for the FTSE here. So I did upgrade my box size to 9.5 points and the open range is 7.5, but we'll take that one for the day. That's going to be our opening trade for the FTSE. And here on Dow Jones, I want to take this big number trade here at the bottom. So I'm not going to take that open range. We've already broken out of the open range and bounced off of this big number, expecting us to reach towards this daily pivot today, which is going to give us more than enough room to be in and out of that first trade. So they're the first three trades set up for this morning. We got about 8 minutes until our market opening. Quick look at the economic calendar here. So not a lot of news for today. Most of the bigger impact news announcements have already taken place. I've had a couple of German news announcements here for our DAX trading this morning and some JPY Japan news early hours this morning, but that's not going to affect us so much. This afternoon, also not a lot of stuff going on. Some Canadian news, so good for those people who have traded in the Canadian dollar Forex pairs or even oil. And of course, we've got later on this evening some US dollar news on oil net positions and gold net positions too. So for those late night traders, could be a nice evening for you. So first trade already in with the FTSE here in a first trade going short. Take profit set just below this Fibonacci. Seems like we might be coming into our first trade here on the Dow Jones too very shortly. And the DAX also hitting that big number. So we should be getting our activated box about now. Bit of slippage and spreads together. So there's our activation. So pending box here on the DAX, Dow Jones just falling short of activating our big number trade there. So aim for today, not far off our 20k target here. So we need around 120 euros. So that's about 8 or 9 trades, normal trades for me. So just hitting the take profit easy. There's no adjusting or customizing my target. If I can make 7 to 8 clean trades, we should be at our target. Take a look at the MTX charts for this morning. So gold has shot up once again. If we take a look at our daily chart here, we can see that we're still heading up towards the top of this trend channel here. Slowly, slowly, maybe even next week or next month, we might be at a nice zone to create a good sell order. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, still fluctuating between the 73 and 71. Predictions are it could be going as far as 0.76, which is a long way. That's all the way up here. But quite a big drop over the night time here on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So indicating a bit of strength in the dollar at the moment. And then, of course, we had that fall in gold here as well. With the strength of the US dollar taking place, of course, the price of gold will also fall. But no signals available for us this morning. And gonna take a deeper look into these gold charts at the moment. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. So small uptrend here. Of course, coming towards the top of our downtrend channel on the daily chart, and the top of that downtrend channel is is around here, so 1776. So that's where our sell is placed at. 1776. Oh, they'll go right at the top. So if we take a look at the daily, this is our predicted sell line, which is just over here. So on the 30-minute chart, slowly pushing our way up to that level, and we should see it hit this level and then of course bounce straight back down. So we want to see a nice upswing, and then of course another downswing, maybe even to here, but idea is it's going to fall a lot further. So 1 minute now until our opening. Might be getting our Dow Jones box activated here. Bit of pre-market volatility. Just missed that opening. And here comes the FTSE closing. First trade done for the day. And I'm going to take straight into the big number on the bottom side. And here comes the DAX up. Oh. So there's our 9 o'clock opening. DAX into its second trade now, short. Take profit set just above the Fibonacci. Still struggling with the DAX to trigger our pending box here. However, let's check out some of these Vola box trades. See if there's anything available to us. So 10, 13 point box. We got another box here on the top side. Definitely don't want to be taking this 10.79 box, especially with the spreads. So options are here or here. We'll wait for the market to make its mind up in the direction it wants to travel. So getting our entry into the FTSE again. Let's check out the FTSE's Vola box. So we got a Vola box here on the top side of FTSE 2. Going to set that as a pending order. And over here, I want to take this trade here, big number / daily pivot is going to be my second pending box for the Dow Jones. So still no entry here. First entry into the FTSE long, take profit set, and DAX third trade activated. So let me check my DAX chart here. Where is this set? 14742. So now we can go over here. 147. Three. There we go. 'Too far. I think it's okay for us to aim further here. See if we're going to get a big drop in the price now. We might even be able to push our luck down towards that big number. But we'll take it down to the second fib. To active. So 15 euros, 0.08% so far. Where is it coming from? So no active box here on the FTSE, which is the wrong size box anyway. What do you want? 95. So gold making a drop at the moment down towards the daily pivot. Could even see another touch down here before the next lift. However, I doubt it. Could be getting a setup here for the New Zealand dollar US dollar on a short position, 5-minute chart. Gold too close to the daily pivot for us to receive that signal. And fifth trade now in on the DAX. So let's move these up a bit further on that 17,742. 743 will do. So let's see if we break past this daily pivot. DAX has been a bit slow these past few days, so hopefully today's not the same. There's trade number 6 now. Trade 7. So FTSE making its way up. If we get a break past the Fibonacci, we're going to take profit there on the top side. So it's just the two active at the moment, FTSE and the DAX. DAX ranging a little bit around this big number. Just one close so far. Prepare ourselves for a manual close. You want to see some lower lows. Good morning to you too, James. Thanks for joining. Fucking bullshit, man. Fucking shit. And good morning to you too, Mike. Thank you for joining. Peter says the DAX is yuck. Hedge position. I think I might be following you soon. Here comes FTSE about to close in. I think the DAX market is due a nice drop. So here comes FTSE about to close in on our take profit. And there it is. Second trade close for the day. 0.15%, 30 euros in. And DAX triggered yet another trade. Long. 43, there we go. Extremely rangy markets at the moment. Set my pending order here on the top follow box. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yuck. Like, ugh. Mm-mm. Like yucky. Mm-hmm. Terrible morning. Ay, ay, ay. What's going on? Trade 10. Market needs to break out. Come on, come on. So I moved that take profit, but I'm going to be poised, ready to hit that manual close. Hopefully we're going to get our breakdown now. break, break, break. Break, break, break. Come on. Huh? Horrible. I don't want to go into which day? Expiry. Yeah. No bad luck. Just need to break that daily pivot. You don't think? Also, nothing. Come on. Up, up and away. Break that daily pivot and it should just launch. Hmm? Here in minus, like 600 minus at the moment. 400. Here we go, here we go. So we might be getting a small rally here. Finally. We can close anywhere between the original take profit and this customized. As you know, I've got my vola box, and my other chart is set just here for the entry. So we can go, but it seems we might be getting retest of the daily pivot maybe. These markets have been horrible this week, right? So seems like we might be getting our chance here. There's the break. It's moving too quickly for us to close at the moment. And there's our close. We could have stayed in longer and aimed for that take profit, however. A bit too hairy for me at the moment, but big profits on there. And we finally did it. Target hit 20k and 40 euro extra. So oh. Thanks guys, thanks guys. I'm happy to be finally over it with no trades pending. So it's been a long month. We've been very close to hitting that target, but every time we got close, we got one step further away. So that's the open range charts done for this morning. 3 trades closed, 162 euro profit, 16 cents, 0.81% so far. So now we can have a look at some of our Volabox charts. So DAX Volabox chart is still, oh look, we're just falling down now below the daily pivot. It was a great close for us. I'm not sure I want to be doing any more trades on the DAX this morning, as it's not moving so much. FTSE, we've got a Volabox currently in. However, we got like a double resistance here. The previous resistance that we mapped out, support resistance line, and of course the daily pivot is just under it. So we could take this trade, but chances are that we're going to break past. Still need 19 points, so we need to reach around this area here for us to get out of that trade. And of course we've got a nice resistance just here, as we can see from earlier on. Get in the peaks, and then over here we finally break through. Maybe it's going to be treated as a support area, and what we don't want to do is get caught up in between that support resistance range like we had on the DAX. Dow Jones, not much going on at this moment. Let's check out the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. 5-minute chart, nothing. 15-minute chart, nothing. Gold, equally nothing on the 5, nothing on the 15. So what time did you want to stop this live room? Just the live stream that you wanted to stop at 10? Okay, but the live room will still be on, or not? Okay. Ah, they're doing it now, right? Okay, I'll explain it. So I'm going to take a quick break, guys. I'm going to keep you. Thank you, Kieran. It's definitely not easy, indeed. I'm going to take a quick break now, get a coffee and stuff. We're going to stop our live stream for YouTube and Facebook. So anyone who's currently streaming through YouTube and Facebook, I'm afraid that's going to be it for you for today. However, if you would like to join in for the rest of the live sessions, please go to TradersClub24.com. Here you'll see the website. Come over here, you can send us a message by Skype or WhatsApp. You can read up a lot about us, click on the 30-day trial, sign up with your email address and phone number, confirm the address, and you'll get access to our live trading room through our live room. So yeah, everyone on YouTube and Facebook, goodbye, and until next week.